Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the brake lights, also known as stop lights on Jeep Cherokee, that generation that you see right here from year 2014 to year 2023, guys. Now please do not waste your money on tools, parts, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix to fix your brake stop lights. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, if you need to find fuses for brake lights, stop lights, where they're located, guys, we'll explain now on that generation Jeep Cherokee. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side. You see, that's the main engine fuse box. You have two clips here that you release, leave the cover up, and underneath, guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And guys, here what we need to check: multiple fuses. So here, first we're going to check one fuse in that fuse box, then we need to, well, more than one, excuse me, a few, and then we need to go to a different fuse box and check some more. We're starting here with fuse number 14, right here. Some of those will be for lights, some of those will be for secondary system that supports the lights as well. Then we need to locate fuse number 23. Some of those will be for the BCM because they're part of the lights as well, so check all of them. Next, we need to locate fuse number 34. And 34, guys, if you have it, it will be that second fuse from right to left right here. We don't have that. Depending on the year and model, you may not have all of them. Then we need to locate fuse number 41 right here. And after that, guys, we need to locate fuse number 54. 54 is this fuse right here. Next, we need to locate fuse number 77, double micro 3-blade fuse right here. And next, we need to locate fuse number 88, which will be that fuse here. Now, guys, here we are done in this fuse box, but we have another one. We need to open the driver door. On the side of the steering wheel where the headlight switch is located, let me get a better angle right here. Underneath, you have the storage compartment. Open it, and if you squish on the sides, you can pull it all the way down. Behind it, you have another fuse box. Here you may need to check, guys, now a few more different fuses. One of them is fuse 13. You may have this one. If you have it, check it, guys, right there. Fuse number 48, it will be this fuse right here. Check that one. Then we're talking about fuse number 91 and 92. So that's 36, 32, 93, so 92 and 91. These two fuses here will need to be checked, and you may need to check fuse 93 if you have it as well, right there. Now, you don't have relays, okay, but if you had problems with the lights, you replace the light bulb or a fuse, you may need to clear the codes from the BCM, the body control module, for the lights to start working correctly again, because sometimes if there was a short in the system or something like that, the BCM can deactivate that function so the car doesn't catch on fire, and you have to reset the BCM on your Jeep Cherokee for the lights to work correctly. That will not happen very often, but it happened to us a few times. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.